So here's an interesting one that I might give you a side eye at. Should I be co-washing every morning? I mean, I don't know. Should you be doing a curly style every morning? What's your texture? So these are some of the questions that become challenging because, so just a generalized question like, should I be co-washing every morning? It makes sense, but it doesn't make sense if I don't know the head of hair that's in front of me. So depending on your texture, you all have heard of the grading system. The 1s, the 2s, the 3s, the 4s, right? The 1s are the straights, the 2s are the wavies, and the 3s are the curlies, and the 4s are the kinkies. And there's 1,000,001 textures in between that. So, but the value to the grading system is that it helps to determine where you are in the grading system will help to determine what the terms and what a regimen more specific to your texture versus someone else's texture and the real value in that. So co-washing, again, is something that you do when you get in the shower to clean and condition your hair. And whenever you do a wash and go style, you have to do a co-wash. So co-washing helps to prep your hair for your styling product when you do a wash and go style. So if you happen to be a texture that's and somewhere in the 4s, it's a kinkier texture, it's nearly impossible to over condition your hair through co-washing or doing wash and go styling because that method improves those textures. The only negative effect to doing a co-wash every morning could only happen to someone who has naturally flat, straight, greasy hair, which co-washing really doesn't apply to. So co-washing, again, is coupled and in marriage to when you do a wash and go style. And you really can't over-condition textures that are naturally dry, and all of the 3s and the 4s are naturally drier. So should you be co-washing every morning should let you know if you have a naturally dry texture and you know if you're a 3 or 4 that no, you can't over condition your hair, so you can't over co-wash. So I hope that helps.